Hey guys, my name is Robert Barry. I want to thank you guys for viewing this video at any point in time. I'm so excited to be here this morning to do this video for you today. And so this guys, today is a $25 one-up review and payment proof. And so guys, I want to show you guys today that I am having success with this business, and more importantly, I want to show you how you are able to get started with me and how you can gain access to my team and our exact advertising strategies that we do on a daily business to be able to make a sustainable income online, especially during a time of where so many persons are confined to their homes and not being able to make any income or no income for that matter. And so guys, what you're looking at right now is one of the capture pages to my $25 one-up business opportunity. Okay, so if you guys are out there and you don't have a home-based business, you're confined to home during this whole corona pandemic, and you're just simply looking for to make some extra income, or you're looking to replace your full-time income, as I am a part-time marketer working my way to being a full-time marketer online, I would highly suggest that you guys click the link that is going to be at the bottom of the video to get more access. Also, if you guys may have any questions, any comment, please feel free to leave all of that information at the very bottom of this video. Also, I will leave my my Facebook. Also, I will leave a telephone contact for persons that are out there and they want to reach out to me. And lastly, if you guys find value in this video, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share this video, because I know that there are so many people out there that are looking for a way to earn an extra income, or even just to start a sound home-based business, okay, today. And so you guys will be doing them a huge favor by simply sharing this video. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. Like I said, this is a capture page to the front door of my business, which is $25 one up. Okay, and just to give you guys why I'm so excited to bring this video, this update, income proof video to you today, I'm going to give you guys just a few. I'm going to list just a few of the benefits that comes along with this business. Okay, the one thing that caught my eye when I came across this this business opportunity, guys, number one, there are no monthly fees. Absolutely no monthly fees. Okay, so in your traditional network MLM online marketing business, a lot of those companies, they would charge you monthly fees. Okay, so what that means is at the end of every month you would have to pay a subscription fee, which is deducted, I'm assuming, from your credit cards. And so with this business, there is no added pressure of knowing that there will be a charge to your credit card to maintain your ties with that particular business opportunity. Okay. Secondly, the pay is instant. So if you guys see value within this video, you want to go ahead and partner with Robert Barry, you go ahead, click the link, and you go ahead and you join. The minute you hit confirm payment, I have 100% access to those funds immediately. Okay, that's another powerful thing that brought me into this business. Okay. Thirdly, there are so many ways to be paid with this business opportunity. And so I use PayPal. However, some members have multiple ways that they get paid. You can get paid through Zelle. We have Cash App. We have Bitcoin. We have Stripe. There are so many payment processes within our back office that you can go right ahead and persons are able to pay you directly to those payment processes. Okay, fourthly, this platform is very newbie friendly. Okay, and so it is very easy for one to navigate within your back office. The training is fresh. They teach you, they give you all of the tools necessary to be able to be successful leveraging this business opportunity. Okay, the Facebook community, my team, if you do decide to join my team, okay, the community is very encouraging, they're very helpful. We give you as a bonus when you partner with us, there's a bonus. We have a 14-day over-the-shoulder training that will teach you from A to Z what it is that you need to do on a daily basis to pique people interest, to gain prospects, and then take those prospects and make them business partners. Okay, and so when you partner with us as a bonus, these are the kind of things that you get. Also, me and my team, we have a weekly invite Zoom call where you are able to invite all of your prospects, and we give our stories and we show them a little of how or what they need to do. And then Thursday is our team training, and so you're building a business within a group of like-minded individuals that are holding each other's hand, and we're all going to the top, having success, and actually winning together, and persons' lives are being changed. And so there is power in doing something positive in numbers, and all of us has goals that we desire, and so we're doing it as a team. And that is another thing that I love about this business. Okay, and lastly, another thing, excuse me guys, another thing that was mind-blowing with this the video sorry with this business is that the support team, anytime that there is a discrepancy or there's something that you do not understand and you reach out to support, these guys are like on it. It's like nothing that I've ever seen with any other business. They try to iron out any issues as quickly as possible. Okay, and so what I want to do right now is I want to take you guys over to my personal, yes, my personal Gmail inbox, just to show you guys that I am having success with this business. And guys, this is not to show off or to toot my horn, so to speak. It is just simply to show you guys that I am making income, consistent daily income with this business. And so I'm going to go over to my Gmail inbox. Okay, so you guys can see on April 14th, I was able to make 25 bucks. So I got an email sent to me by PayPal notifying me that I would have made 25 bucks. April 14th, PayPal notification that I would have had $100 sent to me. You guys can see, hello, Robert Barry. On the 14th, I had another email notification sent to me, $25, Robert Barry. You guys can see another $100, $25, $100. And so you guys can see that I am making consistent sales with this business. And so right now I am in the back office of my Facebook profile, and so I want to show you guys one of the ways that my team and I go about advertising our business. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is a post that I made, quarantine and paid, and this is very catchy. It has my face, my PayPal, good morning Robert, balance 225 bucks, team. Cash Blueprint is the actual name of our Facebook team. Okay, and so guys, we teach you how to create eye-popping ad images. Here's some of the benefits, like I would have mentioned earlier. No monthly fee, training provided, newbie friendly, instant pay, direct pay, and 100% commissions is another benefit. I can't believe I actually forgot that out. We pay 100% commission. So it's not like other businesses where you would get 60 and they take 40 or however. With this business opportunity, which is $25 one up, you get 100% commissions. Okay. So guys, there you have it. I'm not going to take up too much more of your time. If you guys want to start with me today, you're on the fence about starting a home-based business, I will tell you now, there is no better time than to start a home-based business than this time. Okay, because so many persons are being confined to their home, and everyone is out there looking for an honest, reputable marketing business online where they're able to start a home-based business. And so if you guys are out there and you're interested in partnering with me, or you're interested in starting a home-based business, my links would be at the very bottom of the video. Please, I would appreciate if you have any questions, concerns, you can leave them in the comment box below, and I will get to you as soon as I can. All right, my name is Robert Barry. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you guys on another training video very shortly. You guys, peace out, and continue to sanitize your hands, wear your mask, practice social distancing. You guys be safe. Peace out.